fever night leo. Chidera onye chidera ise shaku shitanana. Chidera onye makano masaka lele aluo. Chidera onye go yelele. When you make money no, as a younger man no. Omuwanya kalia, and your guys are being so fuma. Because they know that all money go drop no. Find man no find money, no masana woloyana. Ego the money go. When you are still younger and fresh no, and ye bully bend no nye gabia go no. Chidera onyego, chidera onyego. Find a man no find a money. Chidera onyego. Chidera na mekwana mele mele. Chidera onyego. Shawa mo mwasa number 1 no. Chidera onyego. Neno no onyego. Chidera onyego. This money long past fever night leo. Chidera onyego. Chidera ise shapu shitanana. Chidera onyego. Makano masakale.
I know you don't have my number. My name is Angela.
Which Angela, please?
Angela, your boss's girlfriend. I mean, I just left the house not quite long.
How did you get my number?
When a woman is in love, she can do anything to win the heart of the one she loves.
Oh. Yeah, I understand. You are in love with me. In fact, this is the best thing I've heard all my life. Eh? So, what do you want me to do now?
Good question. There is a woman known as Susan. Your boss always talks about her. Tell me, who is she?
No. I thought you said you love me now. Let's leave about this, Susan. Let's talk about our love.
Come on. I never said I'm in love with you. Onyane kile. But I kind of like you. So, if you tell me everything you know about Susan, and I will transfer the sum of 50,000 naira into your Union Bank account.
This girl must be magical. Are you SN1? How did you know that I have an account with Union Bank? Eh?
I love your boss. And I said to know everything around him. So, are you going to talk to me about her?
See, if I were you that is very lucky to have a babe like that, a babe that knows business and knows how to win contracts, I would have married her long time ago. Please, just stop talking like a child. Stop this. Stop this and do the needful.
Babe, you're just a different... You're just a different kind of species of a woman.
What species exactly?
just want to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the pains, all the troubles. I mean, everything I put you through. I am very sorry. I want to assure you, I will love you for the rest of my life.
Wow. This is beginning to look good. I must say, I'm in love with this new you.
I'm in love with what you represent in my life. Thank you. Thank you for being a mother. Thank you for being a sister. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being my lover. In fact, thank you for being everything. I love you. I will love you for the rest of my life.
You know, I don't understand. It's just like this thing is pushing you. I've not even done what you contracted me to do, and you're already here. Huh? This is not how things work now.
I am sorry, Onyane Kilikili. I'm just here to gift him these things.
And are you the one saying these things? Eh? Do you know the man you are talking about? A man in money. A man that trades online and offline in hard currency. Is it where you go? Dollar, pounds. Huh? See, Angie, he doesn't need these gifts, you know. You know the thing he needs, and then all this small respect. Yes, sir, I will do it.
I understand you, but I'm here already, aren't I? Huh? Just allow me to in.
Angela, what's your problem? I don't remember inviting you to my house. What are you doing here? Did I invite you to my house? So what are you doing here? Oh, Christ.
Morgan?
Dara, please. If I have offended you in any way, I am sorry, okay? I have so much love in my heart for you, and I just cannot walk away. Sorry.
Get up. Just get up.
I should get up.
See the problem I have with you? Same problem I have with the other women. All of you want to take what we're doing to the next level. Come on, give a man a break.
Okay. I will be patient with you. Yes. And I know that with time, you will understand that I have so much love for you.
Angela, you're obsessed. Believe me, you're obsessed. And I'll tell you this. Obsession is what I don't like in women. There's something I'm looking out for in the woman I'm going to marry. And I'll be honest with you. Sadly, you don't have it. I've not even seen it in any other woman, so people should just let me be, man. Let me be.
Oh, Chidera. You just broke my heart. Your words are hurting. It's okay. It's okay. You cannot love me, right? I accept it. Please. Kindly accept this parting gift from me, okay? I bought it specially for you. And Dara, if you reject it, it's going to kill me.
I don't want anything to happen to you, okay? All right. I've taken it.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right then. Where are you going from here?
I'm going home.
Home?
Yes.
Okay then. I'll send you my own parting gift. Maybe not immediately, but you'll get it, okay? You'll get an alert from me.
Okay. Thank you, Dara. Bye. Just so you know, Obi asked me out.
Really? What did you tell him?
I am yet to recover from the shock. I mean, how can he do that though?
I see nothing wrong with it. You never know when you meet the right guy.
Please, Dara, please stop it. You know you're the one I want.
I'll keep my promise.
Chidera onyego, finding man, no finding money. Chidera onyego, Chidera na mekwana mele. Chidera onyego, shawa mo wasa number 1 no. Chidera onyego, chay ngenum onyego. Chidera, his money long past 3
My boss, too much money.
Chidera is a sharp shooter.
Man with too much money. Ego liensi. What is money? Morgan. Okoresa.
Look, I can smell the game she's playing. Let me sound this as a note of warning. I don't want to see her here again. Is that clear?
Okoresa. Oga. Permanent red card for her. You will not see that girl here again. I promise you.
Good. Manage whatever is inside.
Joy! Morga. Ego liense. Thank you, Morga.
Listen. I'm not expecting anybody. So don't call me to say if it's stuck, okay? Don't call me, I'll kill you.
There is no disturbance for money. No disturbance for you, Morga. The man with too much money. Morgan! I greet you. Morgan. All these girls. All these girls.
Thinks he's smart. Chidera, you must be mine. You shall love me and make me your wife. You think you're smart. You are not smart, Chidera. Not when you've gone in between my legs. I shall become your wife very soon.
Oh.
Henrietta, I had no idea you were in.
I was looking at you through the window when you came down from a taxi, looking very excited. Do you mind sharing what is going on with me?
You're right. I am so happy. My heart is full of joy. You know, Chidera thinks he's smart. But I'm going to show him that I am smarter. Oh, God.
Make me understand. Are you still on this Chidera's issue? I have told you countless times. That guy is a player. And he's not ready to get married anytime soon. Why are you still on this issue?
Listen, girl. I love him so much. And I can't wait for him to be my husband, which I'm certain he will. I am connected to him, and I know he's connected to me too.
Snap out of that dream there. I expected you to shop your own share and relax. I don't understand why you want to die for him. I had the same dream when I was with him because of his money. But I had to leave the idiot because I came to realize I was wasting my time.
What? Henrietta, are you trying to tell me that you went down with Chidera?
Wait. Are you claiming you don't know? What has come over you, Angela? That guy has practically gone down with every good-looking babe in town. He is going to break your heart.
No. That's a lie. That's a lie from the pit of hell.
Oh.
He will not break my heart. He won't dare. You know why? Because what I'm doing for him, none of you has ever done it.
Angela, I know Chidera Anumba inside out. He's rich white, right? But he has never taken any woman serious, no matter what you do for him. Please, be careful. I have been there before you. Chidera is a badass player. And I don't want anything to happen to you.
I don't care. Okay? I don't care. Listen, if he proposed to me, I will say yes and I will marry him. I'm certain he will do that very, very soon.
How are you?
Can you come back?
I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. Since you left, I've been missing you. Honestly, I've not been myself. I need you to come back, please.
Okay. But I'm actually busy at work though. But anything for you. Okay, I'll come immediately. Okay?
Alright, darling. I'll be waiting.
Baby, you open the gate yourself.
Hey, don't touch me. Come with me.
Darling, Chidera? Chidera?
Angela, my love. Give me Angela, my love. Call her for me. Find my love for me. Where's my love? My love. I've been waiting for you. Huh? I've been calling you since yesterday. Come. Come and stay with me. Come here.
What the hell is going on? What's wrong with him? Why is he like this?
But I love you now. Look at the buses and cigarettes you bought for me. They are excellent. They are the best gift anybody has given me. I love you. Come.
I need to leave right now.
Back there. Stop talking. What did you do to him?
I didn't do anything to him, I swear. I don't know what you're talking about.
What did you do to my boy? Stop talking. You think I'm joking? Stop talking.
I didn't do anything to him. I don't know what you're talking about. Believe me. I have no idea why he's like this.
Look like I'm kidding, right? Huh? Stop talking. If you don't speak right now, I will kill you and bury you in this compound and seal it. What did you do to my boy? What did you do to him?
I will do it. Okay. I'm so sorry, Chidera. But did you give him the The boxes. The gifts I bought for you. Did you give it?
Yes, I gave them to him. What about them? Talk.
You...
Smash
Okay. You know that I loved you so much. And I wanted you to be all mine. I wanted you to propose and marry me. Because of that, I took those gift items to... Oh my God, I took those gift items to a priest of Satan for fortification.
My daughter.
Yes.
Take this part. Listen to me very attentively. As soon as he uses anything from this bag, automatically he will fall in love with you. He will so much fall in love with you to the extent that he will give his life to you.
To me?
Yes.
Thank you. I am so excited. I am going to be the greatest woman in the city.
For years now, I've been a priest of Satan. And there's nothing I have said that did not come to pass. On the authorities of Asmodeus, he has been sealed, signed, and delivered to you, my daughter.
To me?
Yes. Yes.
I don't believe this.
Sorry.
I don't believe this. Shut up. You're a very wicked person. You did what? Huh? You did what? You took my name to a man called Priest of Satan. Are you drunk? What did I do to you? Why?
I'm sorry. You said it. That I'm obsessed with you. That's the word. I'm sorry.
You are heartless. Angela, you are heartless. How could you do this? Is this how you pay me back? Huh? What have you asked me for that I didn't do for you? Tell me. I gave you money. I kept on giving you money. Right?
Yes.
I started a business for you, right?
Yes.
How would you do this? So this is how you pay me back by rendering this guy useless? Is that it?
You'll be fine.
How?
Just take off the boxes and burn it. Yes, burn everything.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Just do it already. You'll be fine.
You're not lying, right?
No, I'm not lying. You'll be fine.
Get out. Leave this. Of course now. Come on. This guy is a man. I can't undress him in front of. What do you want to see? Get out.
I should leave. I should leave.
And don't leave the compound. Stay out there. Let me not look for you. Go and stay there.
Bring Angela, my love, now. Eh?
He told me to work. Why then will he allow my man to give the saturated gifts to his houseboy?
Morgan, this one I'm here like this. I hope I'm safe.
Can you recognize me?
Yes, now. You are my Oga Onyego.
Don't worry, I just want to be sure you're fine.
Morgan, what is Angela doing here? Have you reconciled with her?
reconcile me through this demon. Can't reconcile with this kind of person.
I need to leave. Please come and open the gate for me to go.
Those gift items she brought that I gave to you. She took them to somewhere. Somebody called priest of Satan or native doctor, I don't know. She took them there. Those gifts were saturated with powers, so she can manipulate me. They were given to you.
What?
I've already apologized. Why are you doing this to me?
I'm only letting you go because of one reason alone. I don't want to see you anywhere near my house or this street ever again. If I do, I will bury you alive. Get out of my house.
Okay.
I said get out of my house.
Angela of Satan. I talk am.
All the way from Cameroon to Nigeria to humiliate me. Am I not good enough to be your wife, Chidera?
Halima, I'm going out. When I get back, we'll talk about this.
No, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere until you give me the explanation I deserve.
What explanation?
I've been asking you the same thing over and over and again. Why did you bring me here? Why am I not good enough? How many times should I ask you this question?
What explanation do you have?
How many times will I ask that question? How many times will I ask you everything I've been asking you over and over and again?
What is happening here? I started hearing your voice from outside. Why are you disturbing this humble abode?
See the kind of useless scene you're causing this man.
You're the one creating this scene, Chidera. I came here on your invitation and you must accord me the respect I deserve.
Fine. Go back to Cameroon. I'm done with this whole nonsense. Go, leave.
Cameroon! It's even our sister country here. And you told me you're coming from abroad.
What's this fool even saying? Is Cameroon not abroad?
Just say our sister country here now. Cameroon is just here. Cameroon is our neighbor.
Why are you not saying anything? Your houseboy is insulting me.
Houseboy? This guy is not a houseboy, he's a house manager. Houseboy, house manager, they're not the same thing. He's a house manager. So I called him the respect that he deserves. Huh?
Morgan, God will bless you. God will bless you. God will continue to bless you. You see you, look at this mansion. Behold it now. As you're departing here, this is the last time you're setting your foot here. It's a permanent red card for you. You are not stepping an inch into this abode.
This is annoying. You put him to this, yeah? You put this in him to insult me in your very presence and you're not saying anything about it. You've insulted me over and over and again and it's enough.
So now that you have made a fool of yourself and your pictures is all over the internet, where are you going to hide?
I am so going to deal with that useless gatesman of his. He published it online and tagged the bloggers.
I am disappointed to see that you're not even bothered with the laughingstock you've become. Now, Madam Mirabel knows that you've not only gone down with her client, but you've also gone to use evil powers to make him your husband.
Henrietta, you mind the things you say to me, else I will fall out with you.
I am not the one that told you to visit the man of Satan. So, don't change it for me. Change it for yourself.
I don't even know what is wrong with all of you. What is wrong with your thick skin? Can't you understand that I love him so much, much more than you all loved him?
Then have him. Have we all not abandoned him for you? Suit yourself. But remember, you have a family name to protect. Get out.
Boss, why are you angry? I called you that very day. You were the one who gave me the go-ahead.
Okay, more for you. Don't be ridiculous. The problem is not you going after her. Why didn't you tell me so that they do? You would let me know.
Boss, with all due respect, I don't think he should tell you.
Why? Why shouldn't he tell me?
I mean, you were the one that sent the lady to him. Hmm? Of course. He called you, you gave him the go-ahead on that. Boss, you asked him to fire them. He only acted on your instruction.
Did I ask you? Before you fire your man's babe, you let your guy know. That's how it's done. Respect your guy.
Wow. There she comes. Halima the Cameroonian. When did you arrive? Boss, why didn't you tell us that Halima is in town?
He didn't tell you guys because Chidera here doesn't value what we share.
Yes. Honestly, I don't know what her problem is. She came in with this domineering attitude and we all know I don't like that. I've been trying to talk to her, but she wouldn't listen.
For how long? Yes, for how long should I keep listening to your lies? Well, I'm done listening. And I'm going back to my country.
Come on. You're going back to Cameroon? Just like that? No way. You have to plan your trip.
My trip is very well planned. If I don't get a flight straight away, I'll check into any hotel close to the airport. There's sick man Chidera, and I cannot be part of that sickness no more.
Hey, Halima, listen. I don't know what the problem is, but trust me. You cannot live like this, okay? Whatever the problem is, I am sure we can deal with it. Please. I'm sorry.
Go deal with your friend and leave me alone, Sly. Excuse me.
Hey guys, chill. I'll handle this, okay?
Boss, what can you do?
What else will he do? Propose to her, of course. That's what he's good at.
Come on, boss, you can't say that. I mean, he can't possibly propose to your woman.
What do you think he's going to do? He has done it before. He'll simply go there and do it again. Just watch.
Hey. Halima, wait. Chill.
Do not try to hold brief for Chidera, for it to make me lose the respect I have for you. That man in there doesn't know what he wants in a woman. And I can no longer be with a man like that.
Halima, please listen to me. You came all the way from Cameroon to seal this relationship, right? But you've not done anything. Why are you leaving when you've not sealed anything?
Because even if I stay here until forever, nothing can be sealed, Obi. Chidera has a woman named Susan. A woman he worships like a goddess. I have no reason to still stay back with this kind of man without knowledge.
Is he the one that told you about Susan?
No, he didn't tell me about Susan. I found out on my own. And you know what the bad news is?
What?
She's coming to this house tomorrow. So why then should I stay back here and be humiliated by a man who has no conscience? I can't. And, Obi.
Yes.
As a good man that I know you to be, please do not emulate the lifestyle your friend lives.
This money longer past River Nile. Chidara is a sharp shift and I can no massacre. When you make money, no, I say younger man, no. Omwanya kalia and your guys are bien so for ma because they know that all money go drop no fine man no fine money no masana mono.
With all due respect, boss, I am going to say this straight. If you love Susan so much, why not marry her and stop threatening all those ladies with a character who hardly comes around?
You don't speak to me that way concerning my woman. You don't know anything about her. You don't know why she does what she does.
Maybe you can start by telling us, because I honestly do not know. Halima is out there running back to Cameroon just because you threatened her with Susan. Boss, how many more are you going to threaten? How many?
Boss, I think this is the right time for us to discuss the essence of our coming here. I mean, the reason why we came, sir.
Well, first business of the day will be to go play table tennis. Table is set.
The money go when you are still younger and fresh and you bully bend no nyega biagono chidara onyego.
Yes, now for online now see. I hear say waiting your oga chop with me. Say you go carry a host. That true?
Susan, why do you like gossip? This is not what happened. You're just trying to twist the whole thing. I never said I wanted to marry her. Look, I have a wife. Yes, she's in the village. And I'm not going to go for another woman.
I don't understand. I be like small pikin. Why you go dey lie give me? You don't marry. Wetin you dey do here? Where your wife dey? You want 10 minutes say you don't marry like this?
Look at you. My daughter is almost through in primary school. Yes, and my wife is in the village with my mother, eating fresh things from the farm. She's okay for me.
Wait, this thing where they tell me now, you don't tell your oga this kind of thing before.
Is this why you're here?
Obi say, is this why I'm here? Don't be like that. You surprised me. Oh. You marry now, you just keep as if it's never tell anybody. Anyways, I come to come see your oga. I want greet her based on wetin happen. You understand? So go tell and say I want see her or make her dey go inside.
The original woman, the #1 original woman named Susan, the one you see her portrait in my oga's living room and in his room. She's here and you're going nowhere.
You are wicked. You are very, very wicked. So your oga get original woman. Now you follow your oga, they call me #1. And you talk say it go better for you. Anyways, man, no cause your generation. But I ask your oga who be the woman where they inside that picture. And tell me say na yoga sister wey don die. Which one come be original woman again?
It's not just original woman. It's the main woman. Judy, thank God I didn't call you original woman. I only said you are #1. Hey. #1 and original is not the same thing.
No, I no blame you. I no come still blame your oga join. You see that your oga wey employ you for this side. Tell am say I talk say him pee. Tell am say I talk say he wear she. Chidera, he wear she. Leave me alone. He wear she. He got to.
know, Obi, I am seriously thinking of getting married. In fact, I have made my intentions known already to my woman. You know? And I think you should do the same.
You see that Angela girl? That Angela is who I started falling for.
So what's keeping you back? Why don't you go for her?
Are you okay? You want me to go for a woman who is associating with the priest of Satan? Come on, it's like there are things you just cannot say.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, if I could remember vividly, she is associated with the priest of Satan. But what I cannot fathom is, why are you telling me about her?
You see, Sly, you are always looking for a way to make me angry. But you see, this time, I will not play into your hands. Trust me, I will not play into your hands.
The one that knows how to do everything perfectly. You are even the one that all of them are trying to imitate, but they can't understand. You decided to leave us. Yeah? But I'm happy you have shown your face finally.
Oh, please, I'm not even ready for this. Just go.
See, we have been telling ourselves that we've been eating well, whereas we know we have not been eating. Now that you're here, my skin will change. And at least I will add some meat.
Wait. Who told you I'm here? I just came to check if Chidera has become a man. That's it.
Oh, Dad, he has become a man.
Really?
Look around, you will see. Even in his room, you will see your portrait standing like cinema.
Wow.
That alone will tell you something. Look around.
Impressive.
Yes.
Nice. So where is he?
I know.
Oh, hi, baby. How are you?
I'm fine. So you're not missing me. You came in and you allowed Annie to waste your time with these useless tales.
Oh, God, I've not been telling her tales, so I only told her that she's number one.
Ojo, bring your things upstairs. Let's go.
Okay, darling. How are you doing?
Let's chill.
Hi. Perfect match. Yeah? Just make up your mind and marry this one. And me, Onyane Kiri, will be your best man that day with my suit.
When you make money, no, I say younger man, no. Omwanya Kalia, and your guys are being so for my. Because they know all money go drop, no. Fine man, no, fine money, no masana.
Wakey, wakey. Breakfast for the king.
You know you are the only one who can do this.
Why are you just staring at me like that? Aren't you hungry? Come on, you should be hungry. Not after all you did to me last night. So get up and eat.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
I should be the one serving you breakfast in bed.
Okay, but I made this today, so next time you can, right? Now you have to eat up.
But I should be the one. You know why?
Why?
Because you're a queen.
Oh, thank you so much, my king.
I love you.
And I love you too.
What are you doing by the door?
I was just bothered about you. You know, these days my Oga doesn't like to be served anything on bed. I only allowed you because I know he needs to be taken care of. Yeah? I came here to check if he was angry. But as I can see, everything went on fine.
Yes, you don't need to bother, okay? He's not angry. Thank you very much. Now you can get back to your chores.
No, I'm done with everything. In fact, this confirms that you are number one.
Yes. Thank you.
In that case, you have to go get ready so you can get to the market. I need fresh vegetables.
Oh, madam, we are digital here. It has been long I done that. Now I control them on the phone. Vato.
How do you mean?
Just tell me any kind of vegetable that you want. Eh? And I will call them. They will deliver fresh ones immediately.
Oh, executive house manager.
The salary that even bankers don't earn. When you go count the second.
I am very much aware that this one, Susan, is around. Chidera, our guy, will no longer care about us.
Can I be honest with you? You can hardly blame him. Because anyone who sees something that makes his heart happy should just find a way to grab it, as in colonize it.
Guys, please. Tone down the volume of your voices. Chidera is sleeping and he wishes not to be disturbed, please.
Excuse me, Susan. What's the meaning of this? Are you trying to dictate to us what happens in our guy's house? Like a house that's like our own? For real?
And did you even bother to know what you are saying?
Can you imagine?
I mean, why is all ladies behaving the same?
Sir, I don't care what you guys were talking about. All I'm saying is that Chidera had a very long night last night and he wants to sleep. Please, I don't want any noise. He ordered it.
And since when did you start ordering his sleep?
Can you even imagine the way she's saying it? Like,
sirs, please just take down your voices. I beg you. Please.
Wanda, what is wrong with this babe? Do you know how we live our lives as friends before you came into the picture?
I don't care how you guys were living your lives. All I'm asking is for you to tone down the volume of your voices. Please. I really don't want to join issues with you both. I'm just pleading, sirs.
Now can you go out?
What's going on?
Babe, I just told them that they should take down their voices and they're turning things around.
They got angry.
Yeah, they did.
I felt insulted. Chidera, I felt insulted. For God's sake, should we change our culture because you're dating Susan?
Take it easy. I'm you. Huh? Slow down, alright? If you're shouting on my girl, that means you're directing it at me. Huh? Now you're a guy now, slow down, okay? By the way, where is Onyane Kili? You should be here serving you people, giving you drinks or food or whatever you want.
Something mightier than Onyane Kili is happening right here. We should be dwelling on that.
It's okay, don't worry, I'll explain to us. Sweetheart, these guys here, these are my brothers, okay? They're my buddies, tight buddies. This house is like their house as well. Anytime they come here, let them in, welcome them, give them food, give them drinks, give them anything they want, okay?
Right. I'm so sorry, sirs. I didn't mean to speak to you in such manner. It will never repeat itself. I'm sorry.
I don't know, guys.
No, Alan, I don't hear. Apology accepted. Don't hear. So, can we go out and have lunch?
Oh, I'm sorry. He will not eat out because I prepared something very sumptuous for lunch. So you all can come to the dining while I serve you guys.
You see, I don't eat out anymore. I eat at home.
And this one is totally unacceptable. No, I did not accept this one. Once in a while, okay, question up outside or totally you eat different thing from home.
No problem. On this particular day, I will eat in my house. Anything she says, that's what we're going to do. Right, baby?
Yes, baby.
I love you, darling.
I love you too.
I love you so much.
All right, guys, come to the dining.
I love you, darling.
I love you, baby.
Anything for you, baby.
Thank you. Thank you, darling.
All right, guys, please. Let's come down.
Let's join the eat in the house.
No, Alan, I cannot come myself now.
My darling. What's wrong?
Your prowess with women precedes you.
My prowess? I don't understand. Did anybody tell you about me?
I've heard a whole lot about you. But I chose to give you the benefit of doubt. Because I know deep down people change from what I'm seeing.
Hold on. I hope my friends Sly and Obi didn't tell you anything negative about me.
Just don't be defensive. Let me land.
Alright.
You used to be a Casanova. But right now you've changed.
Why don't we talk about you? There's something special about you. I don't know what it is. I can't lay my finger on it, but something that makes me very emotional towards you.
Wow, that actually sounds nice. So, what is it?
Naturally, I don't allow my women to do things for me. Not like women, like I have many of them, like, you know, people I've dated before. Nobody does things for me, like cooking, you know, laundry and all that, tidying the house. But when it comes to you, I let you do everything. I let you do anything you want to do. And it's kind of strange, but I like the feeling. It makes me know you're different and very important to me. Special.
Is that why you left my frame there?
You want the truth? Okay. I left the frame because the frame is beautiful.
Babe, don't you think this is the best time we should talk about us? You and I.
You're the one for me, the woman of my dreams.
This is beginning not to look ordinary to me. This babe has crossed all the lines. She has provoked my Oga with the kind of questions that make him throw women out. But he is still smiling with her. What are we going to call that? Eh? What are we going to call that?
Hey, the food is ready. Should I serve it now?
Love it. Why are you bothering yourself? If you knew the kind of lunch we had at Chidera's place, you would not bother serving us anything.
But this is just pepper soup, prepared with fresh local things. I'm sure you like it.
Keep my own.
I'm equally hoping Chidera will be serious with this very one. He's not getting any younger.
Guy, did you hear that? Your babe just dropped a valid point now. How do you mean? The Chidera we both know is supposed to have chased that girl out of that house. The mere fact that she is still there shows something. You know, I don't want to jump into conclusions, so I'm going to ask you. What are you insinuating? What do you mean? Something like Kayamata. Kayamata is becoming involved in caging our own man. No, this is not a laughing matter now.
Come on, you're making me laugh, for God's sake. You believe in that rubbish? Like you believe in Kayamata rubbish?
Wait.
Come on, man.
You think Kayamata is rubbish? It is never rubbish, oh. So many men are already falling victims as we speak now. Look at our guy now. For that girl to have a strong grip on him, guy, show something, man. Something is wrong somewhere. What are you saying? Something is wrong somewhere.
Please allow me to rest. Stop making me laugh. Believe in that rubbish, Kayamata.
You're the one for me, the woman of my dreams, my wifey. All the girls are gone, but
as a young man that is doing very well, have you ever gone to a DPA that ministers with the caduceus of Ugili? At least to make inquiries of yourself.
Never done that.
And why, if I may ask?
Well, I feel it's not necessary. It's against my beliefs. Listen, Chief, look at me. I'm an international man. I do international business. I can't be seen in some local place with one Dibia making inquiries. Come on.
Are you aware that your governors, senators, and even the president go to the same DPA to be guided on what they are doing?
That's their business. I'm not against anyone who does that. For me, I don't need it. I'm a guru in my field. I don't need guidance from anybody.
I'm not talking about your business. I am talking about your personal lives. The mere fact of you settling down with a woman and to build a family. Because that means something is wrong somewhere.
Nothing is wrong, Chief. Nothing is wrong with me. Everything is right. And at the right time, I'll get married.
I will direct you to a man in Aguleri, Onyo's Yudi. He will help you. He will help you very well to unmask whatever the problem is.
Chief. Thank you, Chief. I don't need it, right? I don't need anybody to unmask anything for me. Once again, at the right time, I will settle down with a woman.
It's money long past fever night.
What are we still waiting for? Suzanne is a total package. A woman who can fight for her husband. I mean, why are we not already paying her bride price?
I don't just understand. Why is everybody disturbing me over the same issue? Why?
How do you mean?
Chief Magnus just left here. He was seated right there. He was saying the same thing.
You see what I'm talking about? This has become an issue. Just admit that Susan is the one. Let us seal this and move over to something else.
All right, fine, I admit. Susan is a wonderful person. Yes, I like her a lot. I like her so much. There's something special about her. But with all that, still, there's something I'm looking for in a woman, and Susan doesn't have it.
Boss, can I be honest with you?
Sure.
It is never possible to get everything you need in a woman 100%. Of all the things you need in a woman, if Susan can only lack one out of it, then forget it and marry her.
It's not that easy, bro. It's not. It has something to do with my late mother. See that woman? Oh, she was an angel. I can never, ever disrespect her. Never. Never. Can't go against her.
Something to do with your late mother?
Yeah.
What could that be?
God, you didn't worry. I did tell you. You didn't worry. Relax now. Fine. Forget about my late mother. Forget about me. let's talk about you. You keep disturbing me, but you are not married. Why?
Come on, boss. You and I are friends, but we are not mates. You have houses all over the city. You have 3 hotels in Lagos and Abuja. Owerri, Oka, Uyo. Come on. You can't be comparing yourself with me that is still living in a rented apartment. Okay, let us look at it this way. Let's assume something happens to you right now. God forbid. What will be the fate of all these your investments?
As if the Casanova has been taken finally.
What does that mean?
The clown has uploaded a glass of wine on his Facebook wall with the caption, "My Oga is taken." See.
Henrietta, I can see you're obsessed with Onyane Kilikili and his useless posts.
That guy is very intelligent. Forget the fact that sometimes he presents himself as a clown. He's very smart. Had it been you made him your friend, you would have gotten Chidera through him.
Really? I am certain you're obsessed with him. But I'm surprised though. Why didn't you use him to get Chidera while you both were together?
I only wanted Chidera to help me finance my holidays in the Caribbean. I never wanted to end up with a Casanova like him.
I don't understand. Why are we still discussing about him? Chidera is gone. He is history. Can we just talk about something better?
Well, Obi is still interested in you.
How?
He called me, and from the discussion, he's still interested in you.
Hey, you're the one for me, the woman of my dreams. Jay, my wifey.
Hey, I'm all set.
Oh, darling. Are you really serious you're leaving?
Yeah, my things are already packed in the car. I have to go and work.
This is not fair. You're leaving me. What will I be doing here alone?
Maybe you need to calm down. Before you know it, I'm back. I need to go work.
I'll miss you.
I know, right? I'll miss you too, but you don't need to miss me too much, okay?
When will you be back?
Let's just say by the weekend. I need to see my girl. All right?
I'll miss you.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. Don't worry.
It's all right. Before you get home, you'll get my alert, okay?
Oh, I trust what you can do. Thank you, darling.
I'll miss you.
And I'll miss you too. I'll miss you too.
I love you.
I love you right back.
I love you more.
Don't
I love
cry.
you more.
Can
Don't
you stop? I'll be back by the weekend.
What will I be doing here alone now? I'll be so lonely.
I'll call you, okay?
Come on.
I love you.
Sweetheart, please. You know, it's just, it's only you I have. Come on, I'll miss. So if I tell you it's only you I have, you believe me? Oh, hello, baby. Rosie, my darling. Rosie, my sweetheart. How are you doing, baby? I've missed you so much. Can you come see me? Yes, I know. I know I messed up the last time, I know. But if you come right now, I'll make it up to you, okay? Today? Okay, tomorrow. All right, fine. I promise you, once you get here, the moment I see you, 1 million naira for you. Before anything, 1 million naira taking it home. Okay? All right, darling. I'll be expecting you tomorrow then.
Mwanya kalia, and your guys are being so fuma. Because they know at all money go drop. No. Fine man, no fine money, no masana, woloyana. Echo the money go when you are still young.
I would like you to make yourself comfortable.
I still don't know what you're planning. Do you really want me to spend the night here?
Is there anything wrong with a hard-working gentleman wanting to spend the night with the woman he loves?
You have said this more than 1,000 times. I'm still wondering how you could fall in love with me after what I did.
What did you do? You went out of your way to get what you really wanted at that time. I see that as decisiveness. And men who are men will always appreciate the decisive woman.
Okay, can I have something to drink?
Of course. I have everything. What do you want? But I would prefer you make this your house, yours, by going in there and get anything you want.
You're the one for me, the woman of my dreams, Jay, my wifey. All the girls are gone, but I wanna be with you. You are the chosen one. I'm searching no more. Wanna be with you because you're the one for me. Because I have chosen you. Come be my wifey. Let's be happy together. Yeah.
They swear for this, my Oga. Eh? They swear for this, my Oga. How my Oga go invite another girl come? When this girl will call and say, he'll come back anytime. Eh? How my Oga go get mine, invite another girl come? When Susan just call and say, they come back na.
That person says, do you want to pull down the gate of this mansion? Don't you know that it's a money man that owns here? What is that?
Huh? Look, wait. Who is that?
Oh. Hello. My name is Rose and I'm here for...
I already know why you are here. Yes, I already know why you are here. My question is he aware that you are here?
You feel I'm here uninvited. He called me yesterday and we agreed on meeting here, so...
Madam, whether you have an agreement with him, you call you yesterday or day before yesterday, call him now, in my very before, so that I can confirm. Your baby cannot do me anything.
Yeah, hello. I'm here, and your stupid housekeeper wants your permission before he will allow me inside. He wants to talk to you. Please don't dirty my phone.
Morga, Chairman, sir, the money man. Yes, Morga. You know I'm following protocol, Morga. I'm doing what you asked me to do. Yes, Morga. She will be coming up right away. Morga, the money man. Yes, Morga. She's coming. Morga.
Give me my phone.
It's alright. I would have given you a privilege information for free. But since you look at me, Onyane Ekili, the house manager of this great mansion, and you call me house boy, it's okay. All I can tell you is go. After my Oga must have finished eating what you brought, they will package you and come to this very spot. I will still open the gate for you.
What do you mean by that?
What I mean is, just like the Bible said, it's simple. Go ye and be eaten, and be brought back to me, and I shall receive you and help you out.
You're a very stupid house.
I know I'm very stupid. It's alright. Like this one has waste. You know why my organ likes this balabala. You graduate like me. See, because I'm working in a mansion. Huh? Nothing to show. If he's spoon, he has some coffee. I don't know why my Oga likes you, but I will receive you. It is chop and go. Vis-a-vis. My Oga called me and ordered me to make grilled meat and rice for lunch.
I can make the food myself.
Why?
I'm a woman. I can prepare the food myself.
No, that's my job as the home manager of this castle. Meanwhile, my Oga is upstairs in his room. So you go and meet him. Let me do my job. Fair. He just dismissed a whole Susan. Just yesterday, Susan, our main cook. And just today, he brought in another girl. What do you want, ma? If it's his sister, will he like another man to treat him this way? Who am I even bothering myself? Chidera number is the one with the man. Let him enjoy himself. Nash, breast everywhere. What are you doing here?
The boss just stepped out. I think Chief Magnus called him. So forget about grilling the meat, okay?
I wanted to microwave something for you. Rice and stew.
Don't worry, Oyane Kili. I came to fix something for myself, okay? And when I'm done, I'm going to give you some to taste. You like it?
Why would you do that?
Because I can cook.
I am the home manager. It's my job. So what are you saying?
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Wonders. You more than Susan.
I forgot my purse and I have... What?
on here? Is this what you do? In the absence of your boss, my man, you bring a woman inside? Like this how you smuggling girls? For how long has this been going on? You know what? I have to run along, okay? When I get back, I don't want to see this thing here. This is what you do? Oh, this is such a shame. I'm back by weekend. Then we'll explain this. You will explain this to me.
What was that? You better start talking! You better start talking! Out with it!
As who? Onyake, what are you saying?
Who is she? And what does she mean by coming by the weekend? Does she know here? Who showed her the road to this place?
Oh, thank God you had weekend. Eh? If I were you, I would just enjoy myself from now till weekend. And I will run.
Run? For what? Why am I running?
Oh, I'm sure you didn't notice. You didn't see that Mbati on wine. As tall as she is... Wait. Oh, you didn't notice. If you go into my Oga's bedroom, that portrait standing, like cinema, she's the person I just left. She's my Oga's #1. And from the way things are, if she comes back weekend, you might lose both legs or one. And again, cutting 6 or 3. I'm just telling you, it's not being here ranting. Onyegin yana kukage. It's bigger than you. Check. What? If you like be here and be here ranting, look at Onyane Kiri.
Well, he told me that the portrait in his room is his younger sister. He lied to me.
What I'm seeing here is that the man loves you. He loves you so much and is willing to go all the way with you. If only you can follow him with love.
Sir, it's obvious you don't know how the world runs. These are cartel of men who make a lot of money online. And I know of so many women wanting them just like me.
I am telling you that he can be all yours if you follow him with all the charms of love.
These are businessmen who don't discuss love. They see love as stupidity. Sir, Mugu is the name they call the ones who are in love. So please, I want you to prepare something strong, very strong for me, that will make him concentrate only on me.
What is wrong with you? Huh? What's the problem, Rose? Why are you acting like this?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Nothing. Are you sure nothing happened? Ekili. Okay.
Boss. Boss, I'm loyal.
Give me a rundown of everything that happened here while I was away.
Boss, nothing happened though. Did she say that something happened?
So why is she acting strange?
Oh. Morga, Auntie Susan came back to collect her business book that she forgot. So she saw her and thought that she's my girlfriend. Probably that's the reason why she's angry.
Chidera, who is she? I remember I saw her portrait in your room and I asked you, and you told me she was your sister.
Same way you're also my sister.
I beg your pardon. I need you to explain to me. Who is she?
You need an explanation. What explanation? Are you kidding me? You're telling me to explain my life to you, and did you smoke anything? Huh? Are you here to have fun with me, or you're here to question me in my house?
Dear, I'm sorry. You know I love you so much. You know I'm so crazy about you. I just want you to explain to me, who is she?
Time up. Enough. No more from you. Pack your things, get out of my house. I don't want to see you in my house again.
I don't get it. There you are, come. I don't understand.
Okay. If I see her here again, I fire you.
Oh my goodness. Is that a dream? I don't get it. Is that a dream? What?
Did I not warn you to mind what you say? Eh? You women keep making the same mistake all over again. Eh?
Is that how he behaves? I was just asking for an explanation.
You are asking a billionaire to explain what to you? To explain how he does his business. Is he owing you?
Oh my goodness, this is dream. This is dream. This is a dream.
And it is a dream come true. Pack your bag.
No, I'm not going anywhere. What's that? I'm not going anywhere, but don't touch me.
Dara!
My dog. Dara! Oh no, this is unfair. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Okay. Is everything okay? You sounded urgent over the phone. Are you okay? Are you alright?
Yeah, man.
What is it?
I'm fine. I need us to talk.
Okay, I'm here.
It's important. And it has to do with my life.
Oh my god. Baby, is it about your health? Are you dying? What's the problem? Can you please talk to me? I'm so scared now.
I will.
Your health.
Okay. But please don't be mad at me. And don't be mad at anyone else.
Okay. Baby, please. Talk already. I'm getting so scared and your delay is killing me. Just say something. What's the problem? Are you alright?
I've thought about us.
Okay.
You know, everything. The time we spent together. And I've realized that you're not the woman for me.
What?